My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called S4b. My video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will simply show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to protect the files. Before the ransomware's attack, we are able to open our files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this S4b ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And it is called like that because it appends a special S4b extension to the file names, so it is impossible to use the files. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So the ransomware reveals this ransom note. I recommend you not to pay the ransom. Instead, I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It also works as anti-ransomware. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching the system. Click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. After you click on Start Scan button, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. Let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature, but it only helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus in the world which would be able to decrypt these files. But Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of detecting the ransomware and removing it. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Some threats can be removed manually, but I believe that if you upgrade to Premium, that's a much better solution. You can request for the trial, and you can remove this ransomware for free. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to protect your data and how to decrypt your files.